Bones are one of the most important substances in our human body. Not only it gives us shape and structure, allowing us to stand upright, and also bones are used to protect our main organs, such as our hearts and our lungs. But have you ever considered the importance of our cartilage? Our cartilage, which is a soft bone, not only gives us shape, but also serves as a cushion between joints. They are found present in many parts of the body, such as our vertebrae, most joints in our body, our ears, our nose, etc. Although bones and cartilage are very similar, bones recover in a relatively faster rate, while cartilage, on the other hand, repairs slower due to lack of blood supply to the cartilage. When the repair of bones might take just a few weeks, cartilage, on the other hand, might take a few months or a few years. And this is where stem cells come in place. Stem cells are undifferentiated cells that could differentiate into specific types of cells. Stem cells can multiply to form a specific tissue. The type of stem cell that we'll be looking at will be MSC, Mesenchymal Stem Cell. This type of stem cell could specifically turn into bone tissues, cartilage, and adipose tissues. There are mainly two ways to extract MSC. The first method is to extract bone marrow from the hip bone. When the bone marrow is collected, it is then transferred to a culture dish for separation with the use of a culture plastic. The second way is to extract the MSC in the synovial fluid from a synovial joint. This joint includes the elbow joint and the knee joint. The synovial fluid is then extracted from the joint capsule and is then filtered with the help of a nylon cell strainer. This helps filter the unwanted materials from the synovial fluid. The substance is then put into a centrifuge, and the MSC will then be separated from the fluid. After the MSC is transported to the culture dish, Fetal Bovine Serum, or Human Platelet Lysate, will then be added to the MSC for growth and expansion. Finally, the stem cells will grow and multiply, and grow into cartilage tissues. With the final product cartilage tissues, we could use the tissue to replace different cartilage tissues in a human body, such as the intervertebral disc between the vertebrae and cartilage within the synovial joint, giving people an alternate and faster way to repair cartilage, also benefiting people who need cartilage recovery, and hence improving our society.